Class 12. Today I am going to teach you how to calculate mode from group data. In my last two video I already taught you how to calculate mean and median. Today we will learn how to calculate mode from group data. So in this question you can see calculate mode from group data and only the class boundary and frequency are given. So the class boundary 0 to 10 frequency 8, class boundary 10 to 20 frequency 10, class boundary 20 to 30 frequency 12, class boundary 30 to 40 frequency 6, class boundary 40 to 50 frequency 7, class boundary 50 to 60 frequency 3. Students, you have to do nothing in the table to calculate mode. So you have to remember just one very easy formula, and the formula is L plus F1 minus Fo divided by 2F1 minus Fo minus F2 into I. So what are the full forms or what are the meanings of these short forms? L means lower limit of modal class, F1 means modal class frequency, Fo means pre-modal class frequency, and I mean interval. So you have to just identify. So the F1, you have to first identify the F1. So F1 is the modal class frequency. So from this table you can see which is the modal class frequency or modal frequency. That means that 12. 12 is our modal frequency. So 12 is F1. Then Fo means pre-modal class frequency. So that means Fo 10, and post-modal class frequency, that means 6. So F2 means 6, and L means lower limit of modal class. We know that lower limit of modal class L this is, and the interval of modal class. I hope you know how to calculate the interval. 30 minus 20, that means 10. So now you can put the value in this calculation or in this formula. So F1 means 12, Fo means 10, 2F1 means 2 into 12 minus Fo means 10 and F2 means 6. So I hope you know that minus minus plus. So that's why 10 plus 6 into I means 10 and L for 20. So now you can calculate 20 plus 12 minus 10 is 2, and 2 into 12 24 minus 10 plus 6 is 16 into 10, then 20 plus 2 divided by 8 into 10, then so 20 plus 5 by 2. I hope you know that the 5 by 2 means 2.5. So 20 plus 2.5. So the answer is 22.5 is our answer, or you can see that the modal or mode of this calculation is 22.5. So that's how you can easily calculate mode from group data. I repeat once again, only in the question paper or on question you can see the class boundary and the frequency. You have to do nothing in this table to calculate mode. You have to remember only this formula. The formula is L plus F1 minus Fo divided by 2F1 minus Fo minus F2 into I, and F1 means modal frequency, which is the largest frequency in this group, and then Fo means pre-modal class frequency, F2 means post-modal class frequency, L means the lower limit or lower boundary of modal class, or I means modal class interval. So that's how you can easily calculate mode from group data. Now I will teach you with another formula. Before that, you can take screenshot or you can copy this. Students, we can calculate mode with another one formula, and the formula is L plus delta 1 divided by delta 1 plus delta 2 into I. That's how also we can calculate mode from group data. You can use any one formula. You can use this formula or you can use that formula also. That means L plus F1 minus FO divided by 2 F1 minus FO minus F2 into I. So now let's learn how to calculate mode from this formula. So you can see here delta 1. So delta 1 means modal frequency minus pre-modal frequency. So the pre-modal frequency is this one and the modal frequency this one. So you can write here 12 minus 10. Understood? Modal frequency minus pre-modal frequency. So this is the modal frequency and this is the pre-modal frequency. So that's why you write here 12 minus 10. So again in this place delta 1 12 minus 10 plus delta 2. Delta 2 means modal frequency minus post-modal frequency. So that means 6. 6 is our post-modal frequency. So that's why you can write here 12 minus 6 here. And we know that the modal class lower limit is 20. So that's why we write here in the place of L 20. And in the place of I, you can write here 10 because interval 30 minus 20 is 10. So now you can calculate 20 plus 12 minus 10. 2 12 minus 10, 2 plus 12 minus 6 is 6 into 10. So 20 plus 2 by 8 into 10. Again 20 plus 5 by 2, that means 5 by 2 means 2.5. So 20 plus 2.5, 22.5 is our answer. So answer is same from both two formula. So you can calculate mode from this formula or you can use that formula also. Okay student, so that's it for today. You can take screenshot of this formula also or you can copy this. So thank you, that's it for today.